Is this the year that you look 10 years younger? Or that you stave off those first signs of wrinkles, real wrinkles? Well, I encourage you to click the link below to get my free guide for 4 tips to look 10 years younger. And these are things that will make a true, real, visible difference in your skin very quickly. If you're unfamiliar with me, I am Bethany. I am the very soon to be 50-year-old founder of Verterra Skincare. I turned 50 this year. Verterra is Latin meaning to turn, and our hyperactive naturals turn around the look of your skin in as soon as 72 hours, without parabens, without phthalates, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances, or hydroquinone. All the products that I create are tested on me and estheticians, not on animals. So if you are interested to look 10 years younger, then click the link below and get your free guide.